Software Spring. Presents. How to use XMatch in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on XMatch function. Here is the content of this tutorial. Intro to XMatch. Description of XMatch function formula. Difference between XMatch and match functions. Objective of using XMatch function formula. Intro to XMatch. XMatch returns position of search key in lookup range. XMatch can return an exact or approximate match. XMatch can conduct a regular or reverse search. Description of XMatch function formula. Search key is the data you want to search. Lookup range is the range in which to search for the search key. Match mode is optional. The values of match mode are 0, 1, -1, 2, 0 for exact match, 1 for exact match or a value higher than search key, -1 for exact match or a value lower than search key, 2 for wildcard match. Search mode is optional. The values of search mode are 1, -1, 2, -2, 1 for searching from first to last cell, -1 for searching from last to first cell, 2 for binary search. Data should be sorted in ascending order. -2 for binary search. Data should be sorted in descending order. Difference between XMatch and match functions. XMatch function formula has 4 arguments, making it versatile. XMatch supports wildcard match and reverse and binary search. Match has only 3 arguments, making it less versatile. Match does not support wildcard match and reverse and binary search. Objective of using XMatch function formula. Get position of candidate, whose ID starts with 6, conducting wildcard search. Key point. If you wish to search for numbers, using wildcard characters, first convert the numbers into plain text, as wildcard search works on text. OK, to convert these numbers into text, first select the range. Click More Formats. Click Plain Text. Now, we are ready to type the search key. Type 6 and an asterisk. The asterisk means any and all. Alright, let's type the XMatch function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, XM, and select XMatch. For search key, click this cell, and type comma. For lookup range, select this range, and type comma. Key point. Lookup range should be 1 row, or column. For match mode, type 2, because we want to conduct a wildcard search. Press Enter. There you go. XMatch has returned the data that has fulfilled the wildcard criterion. Quick review. XMatch returns position of search key in lookup range. XMatch function formula is XMatch is more versatile than match. XMatch supports wildcard match in addition to exact and approximate match. XMatch supports regular, reverse, and binary search. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.